Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the Lockly model and firmware. This matters because different models use different pairing flows. Install 4 AA batteries, then power the lock. Check the app shows battery percentage. Next, open the Lockly app, create an account and grant Bluetooth and location permissions so the phone can discover the lock. Once done, choose Add Device in the app, select your model, and press the interior button as shown. This kicks off the pairing sequence and moves you to the next step. You'll now complete Bluetooth pairing and then link the lock to your Wi-Fi hub. This enables remote control. When the phone detects the lock, accept the BLE pairing prompt, then enter your home Wi-Fi credentials. Make sure it's 4 GHz if required. Name the lock so multi-lock homes stay clear. Then create a strong primary PIN and enroll fingerprints if supported. Add a temporary guest code for testing. Finally, set auto lock delay and notification rules so the lock behaves how you expect. You finish by testing every access method: app control, keypad codes, fingerprints, and voice assistant commands. Confirm status changes match physical movement. If the lock fails to respond, first swap batteries and retry, then reboot your phone and the lock. If needed, perform the factory reset sequence described in the manual. This clears pairing issues. Make sure you save backup PINs elsewhere and enable two-factor authentication on your account. Once stable, check for firmware updates and run one immediately to keep security tight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.